Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Weebly editor to upload a Google map to your website. This is a fantastic way to help visitors find your physical location, whether you're running a local business, planning an event, or simply want to share where you're based. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll find all the sites you've created under your account. Under the Website section, locate and click on Edit Site. This will bring up a list of all your websites. Choose the specific website you want to add the map to. Once you've selected it, look to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action takes you directly into the editor page of your chosen website, where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This tab is your main workspace for adding and arranging elements on your site. The Build section gives you access to all the design tools you need to customize your pages. Now focus on the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Scroll through and look for the map element. If you don't immediately see it among the options, don't worry. Simply click on Show All Elements, which will expand the menu and display every available element, including the map. Once you've found the map element, the next step is easy. Just click and drag it onto your website wherever you'd like it to appear. You can place it on any page and in any position that makes sense for your layout. This drag and drop functionality makes Weebly incredibly user-friendly. After you've placed the map element on your page, click on it to open the customization options. This is where you can really tailor the map to fit your needs. You'll be able to modify the address to show your exact location, ensuring visitors can find you without any confusion. Additionally, you can adjust settings like zoom level to control how close or far the map view is, width and height to determine the size of the map on your page, and position to align it properly with your other content. You'll also find options for spacing, which helps you control the margins around the map, advanced location settings for more precise geographic control, and advanced display options that let you fine-tune how the map appears visually. These settings give you complete control over how the map integrates with your overall design, and that's it. You've successfully added and customized a Google map on your Weebly website, making it easier for visitors to locate you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.